First, remove the bezel. Next, remove the diffuser by turning anti-clockwise to unlock. Find the up arrow and rotate until facing the top. BESA box mounting. Side conduit entry and rear conduit entry. The cutout bezel feature aligns with any side conduit entry. Unclip and open the LED array. Insert the mains wire connection through the rear conduit entry. Connect the neutral wire, earth wire, switched live wire, and permanent live wire to the terminal block. Please note, permanent live is only to be connected when using the emergency module. Use the switch to adjust the power. Use the switch to adjust the CCT. Three-hour LED emergency supply connection. Clip the emergency pack into the main housing. Connect the emergency pack to the permanent live plug. Unscrew the battery compartment and connect the battery. Switch on the power and check that the green LED indicator is working. Press the test button to light the emergency LED array. Switch the power off. Close the LED array and clip closed. Add the diffuser and turn clockwise to lock into place. When the diffuser is locked, the holes line up, allowing a screw to be inserted to prevent tampering. Add the bezel and turn to lock into the notches. Switch the light on.